Hi everybody, welcome. We are here today in Ephrata, Pennsylvania at the Champion Home Builders facility, Redman Homes. And we are here at their fall show. We're here as a family. We have Mr. Dolan, myself, Maria Dolan, and our son's doing the filming today. We want to highlight some of the beautiful homes, features that are brand new, that are coming online this year. So, Mr. Dolan, why don't you explain?
So the first is really this kitchen. It's a different concept because when you first come in the door, you're walking into a dining area, and then this kitchen has the canoe birch cabinets. This particular one has a different backboard, backsplash. It's actually not tile, but it offers a lot of beauty. We have new countertops, so you can see here, this is a new color countertop. And this is a new color countertop, which we're going to show you throughout our videos. And Maria, you can explain this sink.
So I want to show you this brand new farm sink that the manufacturer has made available. It comes with all these pieces, this cutting board, this beautiful rack, this draining colander. It's got this amazing piece in the bottom. This now is bigger than their original farm sink that they had available, and it's got this whole new system that makes it easy to wash and spray, and it's a really beautiful new design, very crisp, very clean, very contemporary. So this is exciting because this is one of the options you can add to any of your homes.
It's all stainless steel construction. Everything on here is all stainless steel, and for what we were getting before, which is just a plain old farm sink, this with all these features on it, you can pretty much clean your vegetables, cut everything, rinse, and then when you're all done, you have this big sink to clean off your dishes. So,
this is very impressive. I'm really impressed with that.
And with this countertop, it's a great blend into the stainless steel color. So they've done a really good job kind of color coordinating everything to make it all look good. So we're going to go to our next room.
So we're now in the living room area.
And this living room area is really, to me, a great attraction because of the way it's laid out. Your furniture can be all laid out here. And this entertainment center could take probably a 90-inch TV on this wall. They have, this is probably a 70-inch TV or something. But the great thing is you have all this cabinetry here.
So this is all wood cabinetry with the great hinges.
Blankets. In this area here, you can put your DVD player, your cable receiver, and it all can be integrated right into this wall. We have these great lights.
These are LED lights.
And this particular room has a large collection of windows. There's 4 large picture windows. That in this particular house, it works really great. But we can do this in any house. We can do 1, we can do 2, we can do as many that'll fit on a wall. Brings a tremendous amount of light in here.
So that wall has the barnboard featured wall that they're now adding. And again, this paper and this paper are new, and so is this counter. These are new colors that you can select from.
So new for this year, 2020, with Redman Homes, they are now offering what is called the 7-year limited warranty, which they call the Champion 7. So I wanted to highlight this for you because it's a new item that's in all of the Redman Homes, but it's been used by Champion and other facilities, and it's been a great success. So this 7-year limited warranty starts in year 2. The first year is covered by the manufacturer. Redman covers all these items. From year 2 to year 7, so that's an extended warranty, your air conditioning system, your appliances, your heating system, the electrical system, structural warranty, and the plumbing system are all covered under this warranty with only a $50 deductible. This warranty is also transferable so that if you were to sell the house within that 7 years, whoever your home buyer would be, they would also get this warranty transferred to them. So it's a great feature. We think it's something that we're going to really highlight in 2020.
This is also exclusive just to Champion Homes, so we're really thrilled by this because people gives a lot of peace of mind. So let's take a look at the bathroom. The new features here are the new red ceramic tile, glass tile that's available, and those new sinks. And again, the same framed windows and the LED lighting. And we still have the same one-piece fiberglass shower unit. We've never done this bathtub, but this is an option. What we've done in the past is a bench shelf there. I think the flooring is also one of their newer options also.